Hello everyone, my name is Vaibhav Garg and I am from Group F. I am going to tell you about week 5 objectives and its description. So first of all, there are 4 objectives, that is logo, Facebook ad, poster and website. So these 4 things are required to market our product or advertise our product. So for that we are going to make first of all we are going to make logo. These 4 we can make simply through a single app, that is Canva. If we are using laptop or desktop, we can make it from by searching on Google Canva, and the first option arise is our Canva app. We can simply make here after signing in. Or if we are using Android or iOS, we can simply download it from Google Play or Apple Store. So let's start. First of all we are going to make logo. So first of all I can at the top there is a search option also. We can search there also, but as I have already searched, here logo option is coming. We simply have to press logo. Here are many templates. We can select any template as we are convenient for our business. So such as I have pressed on this hashtag, I have selected this. So as hashtag is not my company name, so I will double click on it, edge tech, and I will change the name. Just such as my company name is MedTech, so this will become MedTech. After that ET I have to also change. I will convert it to MT and take on this, and this is simply right in. I can adjust on by dragging it also. Now if I have to add anything else such as images, background, so images, background, text, so I can simply press on the as you can see at the bottom there is a plus sign. I will press on this. Here you can add text, image, videos, figure, illustration, templates, logos, or and another page also. So if I am adding image, I can edit from my gallery. Or if I am editing, if I have to change the background, I will double click on the screen. You can see that many options have come from. I can add background from gallery, image, or I can choose any color also. So let just as I have choose color red, it will be converted into the red color. It is also looking nice. If I have to add background image, I will press on image button. Here are many backgrounds. You can choose anyone, such as I have choose this. So MedTech, we can choose as our convenience, as our company name. This is also looking great. So this we can it depends on our creativity how our logo will look like. So I think this is good looking, so I will save it. So to save, I will simply press on you can see at top there is a download button. I will press here. It will be downloaded. After that, as I have downloaded it on, so I will not download it. You can see here it will be downloaded, and you can simply share it to the your group channel after making it. So this is how we will make logo. So now let's start making. I am going to make now Facebook ad. To make Facebook ad, simply I will again search here Facebook ad. So now there are many templates will arrive. So I think this is looking great, or this is also looking great. I will press on this, and just a second, here the screen appears. There is written a little bit of everything. As my company name is not against this, so I will double click on this a little bit, and I will convert it into the such as I have write to here Vaibhav and team. Everything की जगह हम लिख सकते हैं MedTech. Just a second. Now I can change it and write MedTech, and after that the life of AM musing is also not our required, so I can write here medicine and druggist, or simply medicine medicine seller, and anything else as our convenient. Here again we can change background from here by pressing this text, image, video, figure, illustration, template, logo, page, etc. If we have to change the background, we will double press on the screen. Here gallery, image, color, there are 3 options. So if I have to change the color, I can press on this Vaibhav and red color, orange color, this type of color. If I have to change the background, I will press on image, and simply I can choose this. This is also looking nice. By the way, we can choose this also, as this is not compatible to our, so we will not choose this. This is looking great. So here how we can make our poster. After making it, we can simply again download it or share it. If you have to share, there are many options: save as image, save with transparency, or we can share with Gmail, Google Drive, WhatsApp. Those also options. Slack option is also present there. So here we can share, or we can download it from here, and it will simply start downloading. And after downloading, we can share it to our again our group channel. So here we have made Facebook ad, and now we are going to make a poster. So just a second. Here let's go on the to make poster. Again we will press on this button and poster. Here we will search poster. According to our convenience, we can choose any of the template again, such as I have chosen this basic web development classes. Again this as the screen appears. So let's start. Here upper written Welton Online Education Presents. So I will change this and write Webhub and team presentation, or we can write our group name also, such as group F presentation, etc. Basic web. Now to change the main heading, we will again double press on this and we can change this, such as my name, MedTech Medicine Sailor, or we can write pharmacist. Here pharmacist, this is we can write, and at the down it is our description, just such as we can write what we have. Here we can write such as we sell our product. कोई भी product लिख सकते हैं, dash at less amount than market. Anything which we can write to convenience our product, that is convenient to our product, and to convince the user or the buyer, the customer. Here I have write. Again we can change the background from here: text, image, video, stickers. And to change the background, we will double click on the screen, and we can change background again from image, such as I have wrote this. It is also looking good, or this. So this will be presented, and again we can simply just a second, we can simply share it or download it from the button presented at the right top. Here we can share again, or we can download it. If it is asking from the premium, sometimes it asks for the premium, you can simply copy its link and paste to the PDF which you have to give to the group at your group Slack channel. You can simply copy the link and send it to the sir. It will be no problem. So now this is how we can make our poster. And the last thing which is left is the website. It is the most difficult part. Not difficult, most not difficult, we cannot say difficult, but most time taking part. So let's start with website. Here we will search website again. Such as I have selected this. And this will be our next slide. This also such site as slide, but this template is not convenient. So it is your choice which template you want to choose. Just a second. This is I have choose this. Here I will write my company name, again MedTech or whatever your company name. After writing this, this is your next slide. You can write about your what are you going to present, such as your contact numbers. In website mainly you have to write what are your services, what are your contact numbers, so he can contact, so the customer can contact to buy your product. And one more thing is also required, that about your company, that how much times is your company from, how many the staff of your company has, how many year experience, degree of the staff, matlab, how many the profession of the staff. Such as examples you can write in the website. After completing your website, your own creativity matters here. After completing your website, you can download again from the download button and share from the button located at the top right. After doing this, you can share this to the sir. Now we have completed all the four objectives of the week 5, and the now main thing is to share it to the Slack channel. To that, so to do that,